Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Kia Soul tires. We'll start by understanding why choosing the right tire size is crucial for your vehicle's performance and safety. Then, we'll explore the various tire types available, from all-season to performance, helping you match them to your driving needs. Finally, I'll guide you through essential maintenance tips to ensure your tires last longer and keep you safe on the road. Let's dive in. When selecting tires for your Kia Soul, consider your typical driving environment. All-season tires are a popular choice, providing reliable performance across various weather conditions, including light snow and rain. If you live in an area with harsh winters, dedicated winter tires are essential for maximum traction and safety. For those seeking a more dynamic driving experience, performance tires can significantly improve your Soul's handling and road feel. Make an informed decision for your driving style. Maintaining your Kia Soul's tires is key to both safety and longevity. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure at least once a month. Proper inflation improves fuel economy and prevents uneven wear. Regular tire rotations, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, help distribute wear evenly across all four tires. Also, keep an eye on your tread depth, replacing tires when they reach 2/32 of an inch to maintain safe grip. These simple steps make a big difference. Beyond basic maintenance, consider advanced factors like wheel alignment. Proper alignment ensures your tires wear evenly and your Kia Soul handles predictably. If you notice uneven wear or your car pulling to one side, it's time for an alignment check. Tire balancing is also crucial. It prevents vibrations at higher speeds, contributing to a smoother and more comfortable ride. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Investing in good tire care truly pays off for your vehicle's performance and your peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.